guys, hope you're all doing great. Just like coming down with a bit of cold. Kids are back to school and all that, so we got to get that immune system boosted. So what I'm doing is just making a bit of ginger juice. I just want to make some ginger juice to try and then fight any virus or anything like that. So get the immune system boosted. So what I'm doing basically is just making some ginger juice. That's all I'm doing. Ginger juice. That's all. Very, very, very simple to make. Quick. Yeah. Let's get that down the system. You need to fight any viruses. Yeah. That's about enough ginger there. Quite a lot there. Because ginger is quite strong, you know. That's just right. And that's lemon juice. Add it in the blending process, as well as a bit of water. For the blending, we don't need too much, yeah. And spicy me, just a tiny little bit of cloves. This is really strong, you know, very, very strong ginger. So I've added about 800 ml water. What I'm gonna do is I'll dilute. I'll save it and then see how far that goes. If I need more water, I'm just gonna add a bit more. Okay, so I'm just gonna save it. Pause. So just gonna put a bit more water. Strain a bit more. Smells so good. Wow, yeah, let's get everything out. I'm happy. Put it here for now. Carry it away. And then we're gonna sweeten with some honey. To your tastes, okay? Sweeten to your tastes. just pour into a bottle.
Wow, too good, too good, guys. Too good. Give it a try, Charlie. Give it a good try, okay? Boost that immune system of yours. Hope you're having a lovely flavor, some lovely taste in your mouth as well. Okay? Like the video, don't forget, like it. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. And let's see you on our next video. Thanks for being part of today's. Be part of Dinner with the Raja family. See you. Bye.